In this video I want to show to you this beautiful Dendrobium Spring Smile Lovely Paradise. I finally managed to identify it with the help of some of you, and this is one of the Yamamoto's hybrids. As we can expect, it is a very vigorous hybrid and a very floriferous one. You can see that he is producing massive amounts of bloom, and the blooms are also quite large. Now I am quite impressed by the looks of this orchid. I got to say it is very showy, and it is right now one of my favorites because it is producing such a big number of blooms, so such a big cluster, let's say, of blooms. Even if he only blooms once a year, I can say it is totally worth it. He is very beautiful. And let's see, maybe on the other side I have some better examples to show you. Maybe this one. Yeah, this is one of the largest blooms, and it is about 10 centimeters in diameter. It is huge and very beautiful. Now the petals and sepals are white, and on the exterior part they have some purple tinges. The lip is quite hairy. Let me try to bring it a bit closer. Hope you can see that. It is a dark it has a dark burgundy color here inside the throat, and next it is surrounded by a very faint yellow color, then again the white and the purple tinges. Very beautiful one, and it is so fragrant. Right now my whole living room, it is smelling like this beautiful orchid. It has floral scent, quite fruity actually, and as I said, very powerful, because my entire room is smelling like this orchid. It is very easy to grow, and I will do a tutorial for how to care these orchids in semi-hydro, because they can be grown and quite easily actually. So this is what I will do next. Some of you have expressed the interest for seeing a repotting video for this orchid, so I will do that. We can see that my orchid is very healthy. It has bloomed from these 3 big canes, and now it is producing 3 new growths. But he might decide to push up more, and it has some very good roots here, so that will be quite interesting to repot. Yeah, and of course he will go into semi-hydro. So alright guys, this has been the video for today. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you all next time. Bye!